So let us solve this. Okay, a square is equal to ka, right? We have to find the value of k for this. Now a square is that is 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, and this is multiplied again with 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Yeah, k into a, right? Write the values
Yes, sir.
of a matrix A, right? Matrix A. Okay. Okay. So let us.
Yes, sir.
So this will be minus 2, and then this is minus 2, and this is 2, right? If you uh, multiply these two matrices, okay, and this is
Yes,
k.
sir.
Let us multiply this with the k.
1.
Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, this is k, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is minus k, right? And this is
Yes, sir.
minus k, and this is k, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now, if you look at this, so here the k value is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us find it. So let us keep this as 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, right? 1, 5 minus 7, right? So this is the matrix which is given to us. Now A32, which is minus 1, right? To the power of
Yes,
3 plus 2, right? Yeah,
yes, sir.
yeah, 3 plus 2. And M32, right? M32, where M32 is the minor of A32, okay? Where
Yes, sir.
M32 is the minor of A32. Now that is A32, which is minus 1, right? So 3 plus 2, which is 5, okay? So minor of 3 2 is 2 5, okay? 2 5 1, uh, uh, sorry, 2 5 6 4, 2 5 6 4, okay? So after simplifying it, okay, we get 2 into 4, which is 8, right? 8 minus 30 and minus outside, okay? So we get A32 as 22 after solving it. Okay, now we have to find the value of A32 multiplied A32. So A32, which is 5 in this case, right?
Yes,
So 5 multiplied into 22, which is 110. Okay, so that's the solution. So with the help of properties of the determinant, we'll prove this above matrices. Okay, now let us consider LHS. Okay, so let the LHS be x, x plus y, and x plus 2y, and x plus 2y, x, and x plus y, x plus y, x plus 2y, and this is x. Let us consider this now. Okay. Now, well, let us apply uh, column wise formula. Okay.
yes, sir.
So C1 will be changing, and C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay. So let us see this. Let us change it. So this will be uh, 3x plus 3y. Okay. So we'll be
Yes,
changing only the column 1. Okay. So x plus y and x plus 2y, and this is column 1, 3x plus 3y and x, and then this is x plus y, and then this is 3x plus 3y, right? And then x plus 2y, and this is x,
yes,
right? We got this. Now we can see that 3x plus 3y is common. Let us take that out. Okay, so this will be now 3x plus 3y, right? So I take that, right? So it will be, I'll try to simplify the inner also uh, with respect to that. So that will be uh, right. Yeah, right. This is y, and this one, right? Okay. So we get this, right? And then afterwards, let us take y common, right? In this. So if you take y outside, so you'll get, yeah. Actually, you will have one y, which I should consider. So this is y square into 3 and x plus y. Okay. So this is minus 1, 2, minus 2, 1. Okay.
one.
So the determinant of this will be, so what you get as, yeah, minus 1 plus 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So again, you get this as,
Three.
so 9, right? 9
Yes,
y square x plus y, right? So you get this as answer, which is on the right hand side. Solve this, okay, to find the value of x plus y. Okay, so if we compare these two matrices, which is a 2 by 2 matrix, right? So we compare this, so we get that as x minus y, which is minus 1, right? Let us keep this as equation 1, and we'll consider one more, that is 2x minus y, which is equal to 0, as another equation, right? So let us try to solve these equations. After solving it, we get x value as 1 and y value as 2. So x plus y, which will be 3. Okay, on adding this. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Okay, let us find the value of x here for this. Now, on expanding both the determinants, so this is a determinant, right? So here on the left hand side you'll get 12x and minus of minus, which is plus 14, right? And
Yes.
on the right hand side you get 32 minus
Yes.
42, right?
Yes, sir.
So after simplifying, on the right hand side you'll get minus 10, and then this is 12x plus 14 minus 10. Okay, so if you bring on to the right hand side, so that becomes 24, and it will be minus. So 12x is minus 24. So x will be
Minus.
minus 2. Minus 2. So that is the answer. So we are being given A. Okay, and we have to find the matrix X such that A square minus 5A plus 4I plus X is equal to 0. Okay, so A square will be 201, 213, 1 minus 10, again multiplied with 201 and 213 and 1 minus 10. Okay,
Mhm.
okay, so this will be 2 plus 0, 2 into 2, which is 4, 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is 5, right? Okay, 5, and then this will be minus 1 and 2, okay, and 9 minus 2 and 5 and 0 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so we get this. Okay, now let us substitute all this. So a square minus 5a plus 4i plus x. So this will be 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, and as this will be, you are taking 5 minus 5 inside, so this will be plus, right? So this will
Yes.
be 10
0.
and 0. Yeah, good.
5.
Uh, this will be minus 10. Okay, sign is important. I'm taking minus inside. Okay, next is
1.
minus 5.
5 into 1.
Yeah, so let us see the next row, which is minus 10, right? And minus 5 and minus 15, right? And this is
Minus 5.
minus 5, 5 and 0, right? Okay, and the last one, which you get as 4, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, and 0, 0, 4, because I'm multiplying with this.
4.
Yeah, and plus x, right? Now
Yes, sir.
let us take this equation, right, which is equal to 0. So if you take it on the let us first simplify this, right? So what do you get? Let us see that. Yeah, so 5 minus 10 and minus 4, so that would result as minus 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then we get minus 1, right? And
Yes,
then
sir.
minus 3, right, in the
Yes.
first row, that is R1, and this
Minus
will
1.
be minus 1, right? Good. Minus 3,
Minus minus.
minus 3
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and minus 10 and minus
Minus 4.
5, 4 and 2,
Yes, sir.
right? So we got this, right? Now this is plus x is equal to 0. I want x. So you take it to the right hand side. So x will be, so minus becomes plus. So this is 1 and this is 1, 3, 1, 3, 10, 5, minus 4, 2, right?
Yes.
Sorry, this is minus. This is also minus because
Minus 2.
that was
Yes, sir.
plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So we got it right. So we got the value of x. So let us solve this. Okay. Yeah. So this would be A transpose. A is given as cos alpha, sin alpha, right? Minus sin alpha, cos alpha, right? Now A transpose would be, yeah, tell me, cos alpha. Now
Same.
this will be minus sin, right?
Yes, sir.
Alpha and
Then
sin alpha, yes,
half alpha.
cos alpha, right? Good. So we got this. Now uh, this would be alpha, which is pi by 4 or 45 degrees. Okay. Okay. For what values of k, the linear, the system of linear equations, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 2 and 2x plus y minus z is equal to 3 and 3x plus 2y plus kz is equal to 4 has a unique solution. Okay, has a unique solution. For unique solution, the determinant should not be equal to 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So so corresponding to x, it is 1 for the first one. This is 1 and again 1, right? Yeah. This will be 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 2, and k, which is not equal to 0. So k is also not equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.